Tired of dingy clothes, persistent odors, and even suspecting mold or mildew in your washing machine? Nauseated face, get ready for a revolutionary laundry secret. I'm sharing a truly brilliant hack that will make your washing machine clean clothes to a crystal clear shine, eliminate unpleasant odors, and tackle pesky mold and fungus inside. This isn't just about sparkling clothes. It's about a healthier, fresher machine from the inside out. The magic ingredient? Just 2 crumpled pieces of ordinary aluminum foil. Simply toss them into your washing machine with your laundry, as shown in the video. This clever trick is believed to create a gentle ionic reaction or static charge during the wash cycle that helps to dislodge grime, neutralize stubborn smells, and actively fight against mildew and fungus buildup. Not only will your clothes emerge sparkling with crystal clarity, but this simple step can also contribute to a longer lifespan for your appliance and more hygienic washes. Say goodbye to that lingering musty smell and hello to a truly fresh laundry experience. Sparkles, if you want your laundry to shine and your machine to smell fresh, hit like, save this video, and share this genius hack with everyone.